We're talking about the homeowner's policy, and if you've got your deck pages handy here, we're now going to be talking about personal liability, and you may have it listed as Section E, personal liability on your declarations page. What is that? Things can happen on your home. Slips, trips, and falls is a common phrasing for that. People visiting with you and or cutting across your property and falling can create a liability problem for you. I'm not an attorney, don't pretend to be one. I'm just an insurance agent. I'm only speaking in terms of insurance things. And that is a good disclaimer right there. But in general, in insurance, we're speaking of sometimes there will be a liability circumstance that you're surprised at or you're not at all expecting, and of course did not intend, but someone fell and now they're holding you responsible for that. And if the judgment goes against you, are you prepared to pay for that judgment out of your pocket? Well, most of the time we would say no, not prepared to pay a large amount of money. And that's really where your homeowner's policy can help you. And if it is this type of personal liability, and if it's a kind of thing that the company is providing protection for, well, then look at your policy and see what that limit is. Is that a good limit for you to protect yourself? Consider your assets that you have. Are you protecting yourself? Are you protecting your assets? Because whatever the limit is on your policy, and that's the maximum amount that the insurance company is going to pay, is it likely that you would have to pay out more than that out of your pocket, either as a debt or have to liquidate something or draw out of your savings or your retirement? That'd be an inconvenience. So consider the amount of liability. That can be very important. I'm going to throw another term in here, and we're going to cover this on another video another time. I call it umbrella liability. An umbrella liability is a concept of it goes above, like an umbrella, goes above your other coverage. And that can also be added to your homeowner's policy. It would also go over your auto policy, and we'll speak about that another time as well. But whatever limit you have here, if that's all the liability protection you have, then that can be a problem if there's a major injury that you're responsible for. Give us a call. We can discuss this with you more thoroughly. These videos are general in nature, but we can get very specific with you if you'd like. So let us know. We're glad to help.